I came to the US at 17 years old because we're facing political unrest in Haiti, and my dad was really scared for my life. It was pretty tough there. When the earthquake happened, it was devastated, and the phone call was, your dad passed away, and my sister was injured, and my mom was homeless, and I had to figure out a way to send them money. I used to wake up early in the morning, walk the entire New York City to find a job, and every time I passed by, I've seen everything that the Home Depot were doing, so I applied to the Home Depot. The manager interviewed me and he told me, can you look this entire trimmer and tell me how you was going to install it? And I looked at him, I said, my English is really bad. There's no way I could read through this and tell you. But if you give me this trimmer, I'll put it together. And he looked at me and said, you know what? If you have the will to do it, you'll definitely do it. And he told me, you got the job. I was so excited. And I told everyone that I'm going to work for the Home Depot. I met my wife in 2010, so when we got married, the whole dream was for us to create our family, and we were gonna move into our own house. And some days when I feel like giving up, and she tells me, keep going, you have it in you. And she believed in me.
My name is Ronald Odo. I'm a district manager for the Home Depot. I would speak to associates and they would thank me for promoting Kevin. And I would say, don't thank me. Kevin promoted himself. He was a super hard worker and now he's able to live the dreams he wanted to live.
And in 2020, we actually closed on our first home. And this is where we're at now. I started this program called Inspirational Friday. I just wanted someone to know that whatever you're going through, don't give up, keep pushing. Here I am making videos and everybody started watching it. It doesn't matter what you do, your title. Someone out there needs inspiration.
My name is Kevin Marius and welcome to my office. I work for Home Depot. When I came to this country, I had nothing. Today, I have properties under my name. I'm part of a $1.2 billion investment on Home Depot. Don't you give up on yourself. Keep pushing. It's not over. Keep pushing.
I wish my dad was here, and so many things that I wanted him. So many things that I wanted him to see. I wanted him to see that I didn't give up, and I'm gonna continue to do what I need to do every single day to inspire the world.
Your story is so amazing. The odds were stacked against you.
Yep.
And look at you.
Yep. I remember when you told me, hey, keep telling your story. Don't ever stop.
Don't ever stop,
That's
man.
what I did.
Proud of you, man.
My name is Kevin Marius, and I'm a regional delivery manager at the Home Depot.